Hello dear students, how are you feeling today? Today I am gonna talk about the consonants. Consonants, as the word suggests, a sound we make that isn't a vowel. The breath is somehow blocked on its way out of the mouth. It means there is friction between the voiced letter. While uttering the voiced letter, the English letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, X, Z, and usually W and Y are called consonants. There are 24 consonant sounds in English, divided into two types of consonant sounds. One is the voiced sound, which equals to 15 in number, and the second one is the voiceless sound, 9 in numbers. Consonants, 21 letters are consonants, and the sounds are 24. So they make the voiced and the voiceless sounds. Voiced sounds are 15, as already mentioned, as we have in the word ball. B, b, b is the voiced sound in the word ball, more likely as in hobby, herb, dog, added, blade, jam, fridge, danger, green, hug, league, video, movie, off, this, with, mother, etc. You can check them out while uttering these all these words, the rest of the words. And there are voiceless sounds. There are 9 in numbers, and as here we go in the word pan. It is not voiced. Pan, jump, hopping, table, little. Voiceless means we do not we just drop the sound of the letter, as in watch, itch, chips, picture, key, car, luck, free, love, pound, take, teeth, holiday, see, city, notice, shop, nation, special, house, hungry, and who. So, as I have earlier mentioned in many chapters, that there is no connection between the letters and the sounds. Sounds are made whenever we pronounce English language. We pronounce them as per the conditions, as per the vowel, and as per the voice of the sound we make. Whenever we use to pronounce a word, we have to keep in mind the two pronunciation of that letter, going through the phonetic words that are found in many dictionaries, good dictionaries. It may be Oxford or Webster dictionary. So every voiceless sound has a similar voiced sound. So we should not confuse them at all. Voiceless Every voiceless sound has a similar voiced sound as well. We should not confuse them with voiced and voiceless. That is why somewhere we can encounter many difficulties while pronouncing. Thanks a lot. Please.